Charles Rennie Macintosh, architect, artist, poet. Jason Segel, Steven Seagal, microwave oven, cuddly toy. You would be hard pushed to find someone who hasn't heard of Glasgow's most favourite son. But what they may not know is the fierce rivalry he had with his nemesis. Charles Benny Macintosh was born on the same day as Rennie Macintosh, delivered by the same midwife, and even had the same kind of joie de vivre as him as a baby. But they soon became the very best of worst enemies. Benny competed with Rennie in everything. Rennie designed a chair. Benny designed a chair. Rennie designed the iconic Glasgow School of Art. Benny designed the School of Farts, which just teaches like karate and basic home economics. Rennie designed a font. Benny designed a font. Rennie designed a school. Benny designed a school of fish. It truly was a rivalry for the ages. And even though Charles Rennie Macintosh never even heard of Benny at any point in his entire life, it's still up there as one of my top 5 best rivalries between Glaswegian architects from the mid to late 1800s. But alas, it wasn't to be. Benny eventually realised that he couldn't compete with Rennie's level of success, and eventually had to fall back on his family business, imitating and having a fierce rivalry with Hulk Hogan. Even though Hulk Hogan wouldn't be born for another 60 years, everyone thought he had a real decent crack at it.